Hey y'all, I'm Alicia and I am here today to talk to you about Youth to the People's Superclay Purify and Clear Power Mask. If you are ready for smoother skin and clearer pores, have a seat. So this mask is unlike any other. Not only does it have 3 types of clays, but it also has niacinamide, kombucha, and BHA. As someone with combo skin, I use this baby at least 2 to 3 times a week. Especially nowadays when we're wearing a mask, having that extra boost to get all that congestion out is a must. This product is truly gonna help with oiliness, it's gonna help retexturize your skin, it's also gonna help unclog my pores, so adding this to your routine a couple times a week is going to be an absolute game changer. All right, y'all, let's talk about the formula and what's in it. This power mask has 3 sustainable clays: French green clay, volcanic clay, and white clay. These 3 clays really help to draw out impurities from the skin. They bind to pollution. They're also gonna gently exfoliate without overdrying. In addition to the clay, this power mask also has niacinamide. It's gonna help even out skin tone, it's gonna help tighten your pore, and it's gonna help maintain your skin's moisture barrier. We also have BHA and red willow bark. They help to unclog your pore, but also retexturize and get off all that dead skin. Personally, my favorite ingredient in this mask is the kombucha. It really helps to maintain a healthy microbiome. First things first, if you have an extra 10 minutes in your day, you have time for this mask. Apply a thin to moderate layer to clean skin and let it sit for those 10 minutes. You'll instantly feel a cooling, maybe even tingling effect in your cheek area and maybe even in your chin area. Because of the active nature in the clays, some might experience some flushing in the skin. Don't worry, it's working. When I've used clay masks in the past, they always leave my skin feeling tight. What's great about the power mask is that you won't feel that at all. I can still feel the hydration in my skin. It doesn't leave that chalky feel. I can live my life for those 10 minutes and then rinse it off. When you take this mask off, it has this instant cooling effect. You can feel that your pores are tighter, they're smaller, they're cleaner, your skin is softer, instant gratification. After the mask, I love to follow up with our vitamin C energy serum. Lastly, I'll apply a dollop of our Air Whip moisture cream. It has a ton of hyaluronic and it locks in all that moisture. So, if you're ready for a detoxing at-home 10-minute facial, this is your new best friend.